Good morning, Hitakshi.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm good. Thank you very much. Actually, I'm going to ask some questions.
Yes, sir.
Are you going to reply?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what have you learned today?
I have learned some structures today.
Okay, for example,
For example, on the pretext of, on this pretext, whenever it is seen, whether or not,
okay.
etc.
Can you give me some examples with the structure on this pretext?
On this pretext, I will play as well.
Okay, can you give another example?
On this pretext, I will study as well. On this pretext, I will go as well.
Okay, can you explain when do we use, can you explain when we use whenever it is seen?
Whenever it is seen is used for jab dekho.
Okay, for example?
For example, whenever it is seen, you keep playing.
Okay, can you make an example with the subject he?
Whenever it is seen, he keeps studying.
Very good. Thank you for coming
Thank
here.
you, sir.